The following crypto tools are completely free to use, and they're going to give you really reliable data on what's happening in crypto so that you can analyze everything for yourself. I'll leave them as timestamps in the video description below. The first one is Dune Analytics. As it says right here, free crypto analytics by and for the community. Dune Analytics lets anyone create their own dashboards and input any data that they want so that you can see it all in one place. You can come up and search, and you can actually discover as well many different parts of crypto like DeFi, NFTs, other areas like DEXs. You can see users, you can see trading volumes over time. Everything is out. If you're making an investment decision, then you're going to want to see this. For right now, as you can see, this is the NFT dashboard. You can see the average price of NFTs has come way down. We're in the middle of a bear market right now. You can see crypto sales per platform. You can see which platforms are popping off, which collections are actually getting bought and sold the most as well. So great information if you trade or invest in NFTs. As you can see here, this is actually a DeFi and a DEX dashboard. So you can see trading volumes, how they change over time. And then you can see the most used DEXs. If you want to invest in DeFi, you're going to have to look at some of these like Uniswap, Curve, Balancer, SushiSwap, as you can see here. So you can see how popular they are over time, how much of the market that they have. Usually it's good to invest in, market leaders, as they will over time kind of absorb a lot of the smaller players. So you can see that all in Dune Analytics completely for free. DeFi Llama is a go-to dashboard if you actually use DeFi. You want to know where to go. You want to know which pools are doing the most volume so that you can get involved, provide liquidity, or you can see yields over time. DeFi Llama upgrade this site weekly with new features. It's really great. The DeFi dashboard is a TVL dashboard, so it tells you which protocols are winning and have the most TVL. You can do further research there. You can actually click on yields right here, and it tells you where the best yields are across DeFi. So, if you invest and you have, for example, staked Ethereum, you can see the most volume is in this. $5.4 billion worth of ETH is in Lido, earning 5.3%. And you can obviously compare and contrast different protocols and different coins and see what you want to do. Also really awesome is the fees option right here. Again, good for research. You can see which protocols and blockchains are earning the most fees and what they are daily and the revenue that they earn. And that's going to help you make investment decisions. But this is a great resource just to go to check what's happening in the industry, especially within DeFi. Now, everyone's heard of CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. These are obviously great to see market cap rankings, do some initial research on each cryptocurrency. A couple of features that CoinGecko have added recently, which really helped me out and other people out, is this right here. Fully diluted valuation. This is going to give you the price of each crypto, and if you click it on, it gives you the fully diluted valuation. This means that if it's very high, it means there's loads of coins that are yet to exist. And this means that if you buy that coin over time, you're going to get diluted quite a lot, and your investment is going to have a tougher time kind of gaining value, all else being equal. So you can see which cryptocurrencies are very new. They usually have a lot of issuance left, and which cryptos are very mature with almost no issuance left. And so if the price turns positive for them, then it's easier for that to accrue value. You can see Avalanche right here, even though it's worth 5 billion right now, actually the fully diluted is 12 billion, meaning there's at least 100% more tokens that are still left to actually hit the market. And that is going to be very difficult for Avalanche to kind of consistently outperform other coins that have less issuance. For example, Polygon, which has a vast majority of its coins already in existence. So good to know there. CoinGecko have recently released something called GeckoTerminal, which is like a trading terminal for DeFi. I think this is really cool. So if you trade on DEXs, this is going to be a terminal where you can see all of that information in one place. And a lot of DEXs don't do this yet. I think it's great to have everything in one place, and this is free to use as well. So you can see all of the different chains that are supported, a lot of them, and then you can kind of drill down. So let's click on BNB chain. You can see all of the tokens that are the top traded tokens. You can click through each DEX on each chain right here to see maybe the one that you want to use, but you can also just sort by the most liquid and most traded pairs. You can also come up here and search for the coin that you want to trade. If you have a coin specifically that you want to trade, you can search for it and then understand where it trades and where is the most liquid venue, which is probably the one you want to go for. So for example, US dollar Tether and BNB coin is the highest traded. So if we click on this, we get information just like we would do on a centralized exchange. You can see some of the trading stats right here, but you have these important links as well. You can add the tokens to your wallet. You can click on this to actually go through to the exchange itself and actually trade. In the future, I presume GeckoTerminal may actually have like an API that they have a trading system directly here, and it will use the DeFi protocols maybe through an API or something. I'm sure that will come in the future, but for right now, it's amazing to see all of the trades and all of the volumes just like you would do on a centralized platform. TradingView is without a doubt the best free charting software. Everyone uses it. It's completely free to use. There is a paid version that you can use to get some extra features, but for most people, the free version is absolutely fine. These are professional charting tools. Everything's here. You've got indicators, everything you want to put drawings on, trend lines, everything like that. It's all for free. Now, if you use Binance or any of the, pro trading software, they actually give you this for free as well, but you can also use this as a standalone dashboard completely for free. So that's up to you if you want to use Binance or actually this. It's completely free to use. You can put everything on here, and it gives you all of the trading tools that you'll need to actually analyze stocks and crypto and everything else. If you don't want to know more about trading and you're a beginner, check out, I'll link the crypto investor course in the description. I've got a whole load of videos, as you can see here, on trading strategies, how to analyze charts and everything like that. So if you are a beginner and you want to learn more, I'll leave that link in the description. Next is crypto fees and all of the different sites that come under this brand. They give you really simple information about what's happening on each protocol. For example, crypto fees simply tell you how much each crypto blockchain or platform or application is actually making. So Ethereum made $2.3 million yesterday, and you can see all of the different blockchains and what they're earning over time. You can also click on this and get a breakdown of kind of where those fees come from. There's also some other great sites that are part of this as well. So we're going to look at L2fees.info. This shows you the fees that you're going to pay on Ethereum layer 2. So you can choose the one that best suits you, where the app that you want to use is, and the competition between them. We also have openorgs.info, which tells you about DAOs and how much they have in their treasury. So the Uniswap treasury is rolling in money. They have literally over $1 billion in their treasury, and you can actually see which coins that they hold in their treasury. So BitDAO, which I think is Bybit, you can see they have their Bit token, they have Ethereum, USD coin, and so on. So you can see the health of each DAO and actually what they hold and what they're doing with it. If you invest your coins across DeFi, you might want to look at Coindix because it aggregates all of the best yields and platforms for you, so you can make an informed decision. For example, here I've gone onto BNB chain. It shows all of the platforms or applications that are on BNB chain, and then right here it shows you the most invested coins and also the yields that you get. For example, here we can see Binance BTC. So this is Binance's version on the BNB chain of Bitcoin. So it tracks the price of Bitcoin. You can invest that on Venus protocol. It pays you 0.34% in more Bitcoin tokens or BTCB, and it gives you 0.47% as a reward in the Venus token. So that's like a yield farming reward. So the total APY is 0.81%. So you can see all of the different coins and liquidity pairs across all of the different protocols, and then you can make an informed decision about where the best yields are. What I would say about the best yields is there's no advice on here about what protocols are very trustworthy and battle tested and which protocols are potentially very new, giving high yields, but might be more risky to put your coins on. So you still have to watch out for that, but it's great to see all of the yields in one place to know what you should be getting. I'll leave some guides to these platforms as well down in the description, some tutorials if you want to see how they work in detail. And if you want to know how to trade and invest, I'll leave the crypto investor course link down there as well. I'm James with Money's EG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.